Hey, welcome back to another video of eText. In this video, we are going to learn how to make bold text in Character AI. To make bold text in Character AI, you can use double asterisk or double underscore, which is the standard markdown syntax for bold formatting. First of all, open up your preferred web browser and head over to Character AI. Make sure to log in to your account. Now, open any conversation. First step is to use double asterisk. Wrap your text you want to bold in double asterisk. Now click on send button. Alternatively, you can also use double underscore for bold text. For example, this will display the text in bold when you send the message. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.